Hello guys, this is your KP sir. Today we are going to discuss regarding ESC mains environmental subject paper 2 ka question number 3B. Before going to start the session, just an offer alert from Unacademy. We are having for 1 year subscription additional benefit of 3 months. Means if you take GATE and ESC subscription as of now, you can use it till your GATE and ESC subscription. Use till the exam, means up to February 2023, 15 months. By paying 1 year fees, you are getting 15 month subscription. So join Unacademy Plus or Iconic course as early as possible using the code KP Civil Live. Because we are going to start a new batch from 24th onwards for GATE and ESC 2023. Now the question is determine size and depth of a high rate single stage trickling filter for treating domestic and industrial wastewater of a town, population 50,000. Full data, complete data given. Just step by step we can analyze and solve the question. That is only required here. Industrial sewage ka discharge, industrial sewage ka BOD, domestic sewage ka BOD, completely everything given. The only thing step by step we can solve and determine size, depth and also efficiency of filter and also BOD5 of effluent. Everything we need to determine. So it is a bit lengthy question, but very easy question if you know steps of design of trickling filter. So I will make it very easy for you. Don't worry, step by step. The data we are not assuming, given by the question paper only. BOD5 removed in primary clarifier 35%. Permissible organic loading rate 900 gram. Recirculation ratio 1. Permissible hydraulic loading rate 20. So we will go by one step. So first step, what we are getting, we are deriving for total BOD of total domestic BOD. We are solving for total domestic BOD. Total domestic BOD. So first required discharge of domestic sewage. Discharge of domestic sewage. Population into per capita sewage. Clearly given. Please check the question. Domestic sewage 150 liter per capita per day. Domestic sewage per one person per day 150 liter. Population 50,000. So we take that 50,000 population, 150 liter per capita per day domestic sewage. Discharge क्या है? Discharge क्या है? 7.5 into 10 power 6 liter per day. 7.5 into 10 power 6 liter per day. Now total domestic BOD. Formula for total domestic BOD, discharge into 5-day BOD. 7.5 into 10 power 6. 5-day BOD given in the data. Please check the question. 225 milligram per liter. 5-day BOD. 225 milligram per liter. But we need in kg, milligram to kg conversion 10 power minus 6. 7.5 into 10 power 6, 225 into 10 power minus 6, we are getting kg per day. 1687.5 kg per day. What is it? Total domestic BOD. Now we are solving for industrial BOD. Industrial BOD, same formula we can apply. Industrial discharge given na. See, 2 lakh liters per day, 650 mg per liter. So we'll take that now. 2 lakh liters per day, 650 mg per liter. Again for milligram to kg conversion, 10 power minus 6. 2 lakh liter per day, 650 milligram per liter, 10 power minus 6 for unit conversion. So what is industrial BOD you are getting? Industrial BOD value 130 kg per day. So total BOD to be treated. Total BOD to be treated. 1687.5 plus 130. Domestic sewage BOD plus industrial sewage BOD, total BOD 1817.5 kg per day. This is to be treated total. But what happened? 35% of BOD is removed in primary clarifier. So if 35% BOD removed in primary clarifier, how much applied to trickling filter? Please understand that concept. 35% removed in primary clarifier, primary sedimentation tank, PST, primary clarifier. So BOD applied in trickling filter, remaining how much? 65%. BOD applied into trickling filter, 65%, because 100 minus 35, 65% of total BOD. 65% of total BOD. What is total BOD? 65% of, just now solved, 1817.5. 65% of 1817.5 kg. So what we are getting? 1181.375 kg per day. This is 65% of BOD total, which is 1181.375, which is applied in trickling filter. Applied in trickling filter. Now, fourth step, finding volume of trickling filter. Volume of trickling filter is required. From where we can get? Using formula for organic loading rate. We have the formula, organic loading rate is equal to total BOD by volume into recirculation factor. Total BOD by volume into recirculation. So I will get now volume of trickling filter. Total BOD just now estimated, BOD applied to trickling filter. Organic loading rate given in the data, F recirculation factor 1. Mention, please check this. Please check this. Very clearly it was given that recirculation factor is equal to 1. Here excluding recirculated sewage, including recirculated, we don't want, because F is equal to 1. Recirculation rate QR 0, no recirculation. Don't worry about excluding, including. That is just to create a confusion to you. They have mentioned for a recirculation ratio of 1, there is no recirculation rate. So now F is equal to 1 and organic loading rate OLR given 900 gram per day per meter cube. So we'll substitute in the formula now. So now you are solving for volume. Take for volume. Total BOD 1181.375. Organic loading rate 900 grams into recirculation factor 1. But total BOD in kg, to convert to grams you multiply with 1000, so that you are getting volume. What is the volume you are getting here? 1312.63, 1312.63 meter cube of volume. So volume derived, size. Size means volume. Next we go with fifth one, area. We'll solve for area. Simple. Area is equal to total discharge by hydraulic loading rate. Hydraulic loading rate given 20 meter cube per day per meter square. Means in one day, through 1 square meter area, water to be treated is 20 meter cube. For our total discharge, how much area required? Understand, HLR mentioned, HLR is equal to 20 meter cube per day per meter square. In 1 meter square area, in one day, 20 meter cube treating. What is your total meter cube discharge per day? So our total meter cube discharge per day, please tell me what is the discharge of domestic sewage. Domestic sewage 7.5 into 10 power 6. Industrial sewage 2 lakh liter. I am writing that 0.2 into 10 power 6. So 7.7 into 10 power 6 liter per day. What we can take? 7,700 meter cube per day. So this is discharge. Already you have hydraulic loading rate. Easily you get area now. Area is equal to simple 7,700 by 20. 7,700 by 20. Easily you got it now. Area 385 meter square. Area 385 meter square. If you get volume as well as area, depth is easy na. Depth is equal to volume upon area. Depth is equal to volume upon area. Take it. Volume just previously calculated 1312.63. 1312.63. Area 385. So what is the depth now? Depth is equal to 3.4 meter. So depth came to you na? Easily depth came to you na? Done. Now next what we require? After depth also determine, it was mentioned na? Also determine efficiency. Efficiency using which formula? Efficiency, we have the formula what we call NRC formula. To get efficiency, what we have? NRC formula. So write down that. Efficiency is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.0044 root u. 100 divided by 1 plus 0.44 root u. The thing here, u must be taken kg per day per hectare meter. Kg per day per hectare meter. In which unit our u is having? 900 gram per day per meter cube. So 900 grams converted to kilogram, 10 power minus 3. Meter cube to hectare meter. Meter cube is in denominator. So meter cube to hectare meter 10 power minus 4. Now what is u value? 9,000 kg per day per hectare meter. Just substitute, you will get the answer of efficiency. 100 upon 1 plus 0.0044 under the root 9,000. 100 upon 0.0044 under the root 9,000. So what efficiency you are getting? 70.57%. This is efficiency. So next, what they are expecting, what they are asking, next question, effluent BOD. If you want to know effluent BOD, first of all you have to know influent BOD, because effluent BOD is easy since efficiency 70.57%. Remaining is effluent BOD only. Na? So effluent BOD is equal to 100 minus 70.57 into influent BOD. We'll take directly. Or else you use the formula efficiency is equal to YI influent BOD minus effluent BOD by influent BOD. YI minus YE by YI into 100. Any formula you can use, but you will get same answer, no change. Either you take YE is equal to this one, or you take efficiency is equal to this one. But पहले क्या चाहिए हमको क्या चाहिए? Influent BOD चाहिए बस. Influent BOD, take weighted average. Weighted average of wastewater, domestic wastewater and industrial wastewater. So when you take weighted average of domestic wastewater, industrial wastewater, 7.5 into 10 power 6 into 225. Discharge into BOD plus 2 into 7.5 into 10 power 6 into 225 plus 2 into 10 power 5 into 650 industrial BOD divided by total discharge 7.5 into 10 power 6 plus 2 into 10 power 5. You just take out 10 power 6 common. 2 will be written as 0.2. So that 10 power 5 will become 10 power 6. Take out 10 power 6 common. Finally, you are getting influent BOD after solving. You are getting influent BOD 236 mg per liter. So effluent is easy now. Total 100%, removed 70.57% into influent BOD 236. So what you are getting finally? Just it is a factor. So it is in percentage now. Divided by 100 you can take. Divided by 100 you can take to convert to fraction. Remaining percentage into 236. 69.46. This is in percentage. 69.46 mg per liter. So all the three, size, depth, efficiency, including effluent BOD. Size and depth is one parameter. Efficiency is second parameter. Effluent BOD third parameter. Just we'll conclude here. So conclusion we can write here. Please make a note of conclusion so that what we have done till now, you will get one clarity. Conclusion क्या है? First step, volume. Volume required na, volume 1312.63 meter cube. Then area we got 385 meter square. Depth also asked in the question. Depth is equal to 3.4 meter. Efficiency 70.57. Now effluent BOD 69.46. These are the parameters what we have derived from the given data. The entire full length big question, but no difficulty, because it is very easy if you know the step by step design procedure of trickling filter. Simple and easy determination. Okay, bye bye.